Welcome back to Economic Equity Initiative. Today's lesson, Lesson 5 for high schoolers, is income and taxes, again, for high schoolers. So as we begin, I just want you guys to briefly think about what do you guys already know about taxes and why do people pay taxes. So some quick definitions. Income is the money earned through work, investments, or other sources. Now, taxes, on the other hand, these are mandatory contributions to the government to fund public services like schools, roads, and healthcare. A quick fun fact is that the U.S. has a progressive tax system where higher earners pay a larger percentage of their income. This means that if you're lower income, you won't pay the same percentage of your income as those who have a higher income. So let's say you make $50,000 a year, you'll get taxed like 10% of your income, but someone who makes like $5 billion a year will be taxed a much larger sum. I think it's upwards of like 25 to 30% of their income. So now let's just talk about understanding your paycheck and the quick components of what a paycheck is. So there's gross pay, net pay, and deductions. So gross pay is the total income you have before deductions. This is before any of your taxes are taken out. So let's say you make $100, it's the gross amount of pay. This is before any of your taxes have been taken out. Your net pay is your take-home pay after deductions. So let's say you see your gross pay, it's 100, and then on your net pay, it's 75. 75 is what you're taking home. This becomes your disposable income. Now, your deductions, these include federal income tax, state income tax, Social Security, and Medicare. Now, when you're older, if Social Security still ceases to exist, you'll be able to also take out Social Security. However, there is many controversies right now with Social Security, so we don't know if we'll be able to take any out once we're older. But that's beside this video. So now we can go over a bit of tax basics. So there's 3 types of main taxes: federal income tax, state income tax, and payroll taxes. So federal income tax, this is based on earnings, and this ranges from 10 to 37%. And this is in progressive brackets, which is what the U.S. has. State income taxes this varies by states. Like some states like Florida, they have no income tax. And payroll taxes, these are just Social Security, which is 6.2%, and Medicare, which is 1.45%. So the W-4 form, this just helps you determine how much tax is withheld from a paycheck. So it's just pretty important to just note, especially when you're doing your taxes, because you don't want to be confused about where your money is going. And now this is just some ways of budgeting after taxes. So the 50-30-20 rule is pretty common, but it's basically 50% of your income should be needs, 30% should be spent on wants, and 20% should be saved or just used as debt repayment. So now as a quick wrap up, I want you guys to think about how to make sure that you're distinguishing between all the different types of ways to be taxed and such in your income. Bye!